Hey guys, we're just going to show you how to get some really good deals right now. It's a festival of Ramadan, which is a Muslim celebration. And even if you're not a Muslim, the big supermarkets are targeting the Muslim audience because it's their holy month. They're going to be spending a whole month shopping and eating, and so they're taking advantage of this month. These big supermarket chains and giving all these little discounts out. So whether you're Muslim or not Muslim, let's take advantage of the cheap prices they're offering. So here we're in Asda. They're quite a big store, and you can see, look, all these nice products for a fairly cheap price. Let's go to the staple food first. And so here we go. We're here. Look, you can see 10 kg bag from of rice, basmati rice, £16 going down to £12.50. Oil £5.50, I think, to £5. We got flour £9. So elephant atta medium chapati flour 10 kg bag £9 from £9 reduced to 5. So really good deals. I'm going to take advantage of it and stack up. These products do last quite a long time. They don't really have an out of date expiry. Correct me if I'm wrong, all the aunties out there. Okay, let's have a look what else they got. Let me look at Tesco's. In fact, Tesco's site isn't as nicely laid out as Asda's. And let's see, chickpeas, any for a pound club prices, so it's 40p generally. I'm sure if you go to the store though, you'll see it, especially if you live in a multi-ethnic community. Sorry, you should see stores with all these Ramadan deals. Here's a nice little dessert. Rush Malai, £3.50 for this pack. Is really nice and delicious. Let me go back to as I said, it's a little bit more well laid out. And as I said, if you go into the store, you'll probably see more discounts in hand. Let's look at the sweet selections. So look, dates £2, Medina dates, nice little snacks. These biscuits are nice. Puff pastries, dip it in tea. Let's look at the sweets, mixed Haribos or similar to it, marshmallows a pound. Let's just see the deals. Not many on this part here. I'm just gonna go back one more time and look at the drinks offer, maybe, or even the ghee. So you got look, chicken, £3.65 down to £3.15. So especially like if you're working out, you're on a diet, or you just want nice food, clean food. Look, yogurt for £1.10 for £1.50. We got ready-made kebabs. You can just stick it in the micro oven and it's done. Couple of minutes in a little bread or wrap or whatever you want, and you got a nice little £5 meal, £5.50 meal. Quite a few kebabs probably. I'm assuming there's about 10 to 16. Say that's the average size of a packet. Or look at ghee, £4.50 to £3.50 for all those people who are cooking out there. All the mothers out there cooking. Here's mango pop, £1.70 to £1.50. So I like to make mango pop with yogurt, mix it up and make mango lassi. Again, very cheap, or last you a long time. Sweet and Alfonso mango pop. Never tried this one. I'm gonna try this next time I go into Asda. So there you have it. Take advantage of the Ramadan deals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with YouTube for broke people. Comment below about any deals you want me to comment on, and I'll do that. Thank you again.